start by creating a new project, and this time we are going to import a folder containing LiDAR files in compressed LAS format. Let's check the box to unify all the files in a single point cloud. Here is the list of supported formats. And then we select the folder to import. After the import is complete, the cloud is displayed with the last symbology applied, in this case by elevation. We activate the point cloud ribbon and set the symbology by RGB color. We show the properties of the cloud and see that it has as attributes: color, category, intensity and time. We proceed to rename the cloud to a simpler one. Now we activate the symbology by intensity and expand the legend in the table of contents. Then we establish the symbology by category. We see that there are some that we are not interested in showing, so we turn them off.